Good morning students. Last class I taught you patterns lesson. Today also we will see that related exercise. See ma, first one practice. Identify and complete the pattern using thumb. Okay. See here we have 4 pictures. Okay. Using our thumbprint we can create these patterns. Okay. For example, you take a watercolor and keep your thumb on the watercolor after you keep here. Okay. So, first one what? Pink color. Next black. Next pink color, black. Likewise, we create the pattern. Okay. See here first picture horizontal. So, keep like this. Second picture, this cat means you keep the thumb like this. Okay. After your fingertip, okay, that is keep it here. Okay, you will get this head. Okay ma, so likewise you create this pattern. Okay, this is your exercise. First one thumbprint. Okay, next extra this legs draw means you will get this picture. Second one cat, you keep the thumbprint like this. After you keep this fingertip here like this, you keep means you will get this head. After extra this ears, next this tail, everything draw means you will get this picture. Okay, in the same way also you draw this 4. Okay, see here first pink color, black, pink, again black. Next what you draw here? Pink color. Okay, pink color picture. After black color cat. Next pink color spider, black color cat. Likewise you draw this. See the second one ma. See here, keep the brown color thumbprint. Okay, and next extra this hair, leg, mouth, extra draw means you will get this cartoon picture. Second one also thumbprint. After extra this mustache, leg, this tail, everything draw means you will get this cartoon picture. Okay, see here what pattern coming here. See this one, first one vertical thumbprint. After 2 horizontal thumbprint. See here vertical thumbprint after 2 horizontal thumbprint. Okay, next vertical thumbprint, 2 horizontal thumbprint. Okay, so likewise you draw here. Okay ma, see here like 1. Okay, so vertical, 2 horizontal. Next vertical thumbprint, 2 horizontal thumbprint. Next what you draw? Vertical after 2 horizontal. Okay, so this one repeatedly you can draw. See the next topic. Complete the flower using lady's finger. Okay, complete this flower using what? Lady's finger patterns. Okay, one is shown for you. Okay, see ma, here one flowers available and leaf. See the flowers. Closely observe. In this flower designed by what? Lady's finger. Okay, see here, take one lady's finger. After you cut, after you dip into the colors, after you keep means, okay, see this for example this picture, this everything is the impression of lady's finger. Okay, take one lady's finger and cut the lady's finger and you dip into the colors. After you keep means here everything you print means you will get this flower. Okay, so this is also your homework. You properly complete in this page. Next lesson, complete the caterpillar using leaf pattern. Okay, see this one using what? Leaf. Okay, take one small size leaf. For example, take a curry leaf. Okay, curry leaf available no more, so take that one because that is very small. Okay, so choose that one. After you press it on the color, after you keep means you will get the impression of leaf. Okay, so we will complete this pattern using leaf. Okay, for example you take any leaf, small size leaf. Okay, take one leaf, that one dip into the colors. After you keep means you will get the impression of that leaf. Okay, so that one also make any one pattern. Okay ma, so in this page is your homework. You properly complete this one. Next topic, patterns in shapes. Before that we saw what is that? Patterns, block patterns. Now we will see patterns in shapes. Okay, see the first one. Observe and continue the pattern. Okay, here what we will discuss? Shapes and patterns. See the first one, triangle. Okay, everything what color? Pink color. Okay, see this triangle. triangle has 3 sides. Okay, see this first. Upside we have 2 corners. Downside we have 1 corner. Okay. Second, see, upside we have 1 corner. Downside we have 2 corners. Okay, likewise you repeat means you will complete this pattern. See ma, in this dash you can draw 4 triangles. See this one reciprocal, this one straight, after reciprocal, after straight. Okay, likewise you draw 4 triangles. See this triangle is straight. Next what you draw? This reciprocal. Likewise you neatly draw. Okay, after straight, after reciprocal. Next straight. Okay, likewise you draw 4 triangles after you color it. See the second one. See this one, this rectangle. Okay, with what color? Green color. This rectangle like a 1. Okay, after this horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Okay, so this one repeatedly coming. See first one vertical rectangle after horizontal. Next vertical after horizontal. Next what you draw? Vertical after horizontal. Next vertical after horizontal. Likewise you draw 4 rectangles after you give the color green color. See the next shapes. What is this? Triangle, circle. After triangle, circle. Next what you draw? 1 triangle, 1 circle. 1 triangle, 1 circle. After what you draw? 1 triangle. After 1 circle. Next 1 triangle. After 1 circle. Likewise you draw 4. Okay, or you understand? Next listen. 1 rectangle with what color? Brown color. After 1 circle with blue color. Next 1 rectangle with brown. After 1 circle with blue. Okay, next what you draw? Rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle. Next what repeat here? Rectangle. After 1 circle. After 1 rectangle. After 1 circle. Okay, 4 things you want to draw. Okay, after you give the color. So rectangle means what color here? Brown. Circle means blue. Likewise you give the color. Okay, so this page also your homework, you properly complete it. See the next one ma, Pongal celebration. Okay, see this is on school's picture. Okay, in that school they are celebrating the Pongal festival. Okay, see here we have lot of shapes here. See ma, what are the shapes you see in the picture? Okay, what are the shapes you see in this picture? See here some shapes available. Okay, for example this sugar can and this school building and this color papers, everything has some shapes. Okay, see ma, this school building like what is this shape? Like a cuboid. Next these windows are rectangle. Okay, everything these are the shapes. Next here some shapes available. This one cylinder and cone. Cylinder, likewise we have some shapes. Okay, so what are the shapes you see in this picture? Okay, what you say? Cuboid, rectangle, next to triangle, cylinder. Okay, these are the shapes we can see in this picture. See the second question. Are the shapes repeated? Are the shapes repeated? If yes, in what manner? See this picture ma, any shapes repeated here? See, these everything one things only available. Here also 1. So, what shapes repeated here? These triangles are repeated here. Okay. So, what is this? These color papers have the shape. What shape? Triangle shape. Okay. So, are the shapes repeated here? Yes. Here, triangle shapes are repeated. Okay. If yes, in what manner? Okay. Closely watch this triangle. Okay. Red color, violet color, green color, again violet, red, green. Okay, likewise this upper part is completed. Second, this lower part, what? Green, red, again green, blue, okay, again red. So likewise these everything increasing. So these are have some patterns. Okay, so what? Repeated colors here? Green, violet and red. Here also blue, green, red. Okay, likewise we have the patterns here. Okay ma, thank you. Next class we will see. Today homework is page number 42. You have the practice sums. Okay. First two also, what is this one? Use thumbprint after you complete this two dashes. Okay. After use the lady's finger after you complete this flower. Okay. Using lady's finger, you keep the impression after you complete this flower. Next, third one, use the leaf after you complete this caterpillar. Okay. So this page number 42 is your homework part. So neatly complete this page. Next, page number 43 also you have the practice. So just draw and color this one. Okay. So this everything already I explained. So properly you draw and color it. Okay. This one also your page homework page. So neatly you draw and color it. Okay. Thank you.